Hi everyone, we are live now. Yes, link with the Google Meet. Guys, this session is not on Google Meet. This is will be a
Yes.
YouTube live. 95 students have joined us right now, and I hope more are joining. Let's start. Should we wait 2 minutes or should we
I guess
start
we
right
should
now?
wait. We should wait for some time.
Let's wait 2 minutes and start.
Yeah.
Then start. 84 are with us.
Till then, love to know where are you guys from. Just mention your city in the comment section. Love to see. You can mention your state, your city, anything. Like in Thane, Lucknow, Delhi, Bhopal, Kerala, Noida, Surat. Damn. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Bihar, UP, Bangalore, Ludhiana, Rajasthan. Great.
Cool, 93. So let me introduce Krishanu. Krishanu is with us, and as he has written that he's a Postman student leader, and he is recently made a Postman student leader to be eligible to give you sessions on Postman API 101, 202, and 303, if I'm right.
Yeah,
And this is
exactly.
the first session to teach you on the introduction of APIs, on the fundamentals of APIs, what are APIs, and how Postman helps to run APIs. I personally, as a software engineer, work on Postman. I run APIs. I do testing on APIs, and today you will be getting a hands-on APIs.
Exactly.
114 have joined. And I hope this number crosses 150 registration, so that you all most 10 of you get Postman swag kits and be with us. And at the end of the session, we will be floating the swag form link. Krishanu will be going will help you go through all the hands-on, help you guide you on Postman, on APIs, and
This session will start from very basics, just about ABCs of an API. Why do you need an API? What is an API? Will make you understand. And also, uske baad we'll do a short like hands-on session, just to test out some APIs which I've built. That you can like post some fun jokes or post about your favorite books, etc. It will be amazing. People are from UP, Greater Noida again, Yamunanagar.
144 have joined us, and I am really excited to see this figure to go above 150.
Yeah,
156. Yes, we have crossed. Nice.
we've crossed 150. It's
Yes,
156.
I think this I have screenshotted, and now we are good to start the
Yeah,
session.
can
Cool.
start.
Let's start it.
Yeah, I'll just share my screen.
Cool. Share it. Yes. Let me show your
So,
screen.
have anyone, if you have heard about Postman before? If you have heard, just type Postman in the chat. Amazing. Shubham, Ansuman, Artist World, Deepak, Fizanaz, Purnesh, Yash, Aksa, Pranav, Akshat, Saudip, Om Singh, amazing, amazing. Anshul, Shivastav Aman, Rakesh, Anshul, amazing. So today we'll talk about APIs. So how many of you who have heard about APIs before? I've heard about Postman, but how many have actually have heard about APIs or know what is an API? Just type APIs again. I love to see. I use daily. Om uses daily. Great, amazing. Pranjali, Yash, Soham, Vivek, Om, Akhilesh, Arav, Saudeep, Sonu. Amazing. So that's what I need from your side. Yeah. No. Praveen says no. Great. So API comes with a lot of errors. Vani says APIs. Deepak says APIs. Surprised. Lots of you. Yeah. So if anybody would like to try, like to attempt a try, what's an API? Can you explain in like just 5-6 words and write in the chat. Be the enthusiastic Symbian you are. What are your thoughts on API? I'm pretty sure you are like using, doing some web development and at some point have come to this thing called APIs, or might have even built some very cool projects. Application programming interface is to get data from server. Ananta says application programming interface. Yeah, that's the full form. RF says way for two or more computer programs or components to communicate. Levan says driver between two softwares. Amazing. Deepak says API is an application programming interface is to fetch data. Yeah. Anushka, application programming interface, correct. Anshul, you can use API to fetch data and update data in database, correct. API is a waiter who provides data. Yeah, exactly. Amazing. So API is something which is communicating between a database and a developer. Let's say I'm the developer and I want to communicate with the database I've just built or have built in the past. So I'm trying to get some data from the database as a developer and I need to use an API for this, right? Yeah. So you can dive into it. The next slide. So this is the agenda. What we'll be learning from the session, let's make it very clear what we'll be covering in the next 1 hour. Just to keep everyone on the same page, we'll be discussing the agenda. We'll be talking about introduction to APIs and also about Postman. What is Postman? We'll be also talking about requests and responses. What are requests? What are responses? And we'll also be trying a few things out. This won't be very boring with a lots of slides. You'll be also doing a hands-on. And if you are up for a hands-on, please write hands-on in the chat. It's amazing. We have 196 viewers. Make it 200, guys. Amazing. Tanmay, Soham, Divya, Sonu, Rani, Om, Vivek, Riya, Poonam, Yash, Akhilesh, Sonu, Srijani, Arzu, Sadeep. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So what I believe that your theory knowledge is one thing, but the real learning happens in the real world, like the hands-on training, right? So we can move on. Let's talk about what is an API. Yeah. So you must have all gone to restaurants, right? Or if cafes. Can you like name the recent cafe you have been to, or the latest restaurant you have been to in your city? Tell me about any food place like you have been recently. Vikram has been to Bunny Kitchen. Raghav has been to Domino's. Divya have been to Unwind Cafe. Avin have been to Starbucks. Soham says Garib Army. Fiza says Burgerman. Sagar ordered from Zomato. Puneet Swiggy. Sagar says Zomato. Quash says 13 foodies. Amazing. So, yeah, when you order something, you call the waiter, right? We don't directly go to the chef and say, please bring me these items, right? You're the client. When you order food, the waiter takes the order to the chef, right? And gives him the order and brings the food to you. You can see the flow, right? Isme. As a client, you aren't directly talking to the server or the chef. You need an intermediate person to process on your behalf. There's waiter on your behalf. Same as the workers of an API. What an API does is it takes a request from a client to the server. A client can be anyone. It can be a browser. It can be a front-end application. It can be a terminal. It can be anything requesting services. I hope an overview of what is an API is clear. Just drop a clear in the section, like in the comment section, if understood. Yeah, exactly. Aryan says it's the medium. Rehan says clear. Raghav, Divya, amazing. Aksa, Sagar, Shivastav, Vani, Aditi, Om Singh, amazing. You'll be having a great time ahead. So API is nothing but the middleman. The full form is application programming interface. As many people have said earlier, around 50, 60. Amazing. So what's an API again? Google has the data in the servers, right? Meta has their own data in the servers. But what if I want to access their services without any knowledge about how Google has written the code, what language they have coded? Has Google used Python, JavaScript, or TypeScript? Internally, I don't have to care. I just need the API. I just need the access to the API. I hope you're getting it. Chiku, Yash, Avnish, Sonu, Divya, Aman, Mathur. Great. So we'll get a bit technical, not exactly. So now let's talk about this app, Instagram. Can you just open Instagram on and try to post a story right now? In order to post there's a dedicated button you'll see. Can you tell me which button it is? Can you just open Instagram and try to post a story, guys? Aryan says plus icon. Tanishk says share button. Divya share plus share. Yeah, yeah, adds to story. So there's one's called send to, right? Or plus or this buttons. तुम send तो करोगे, but whom will you send to? Should it send to all of your friends, including your friend's girlfriend, your friend's boyfriends, or send to your close story? जैसे कि पता नहीं चले कि like दूसरों को कि क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारी life में, right? They don't get to know you. So basically, what is happening is, if you see the error here, when you click a phone, it gets sent to the Instagram and stores in the server. The photo is stored in the server. Instagram has those APIs written. You're not exactly talking directly to the database of Instagram. You're saying, Instagram, dekho, hi Instagram API, please send this photo of to your database so that I look beautiful. I look glamorous. I'll fake it all, and everybody follows me on Instagram. Using what? Using an API. Instagram just provides you the graphical user interface, and from the database, the photo is sent to the endpoints. That is your friends, the people who follow you. I will say close story. Yeah, close story wala scene. Right. Great. If you're understanding, just type Instagram in the chat. Divya, Aryan, Rakher, Raghavendra, Bharti, Akhilesh, Fiza, Nitin, Abhishek. Pooja, Sonu, Abhinav. Great, great. There's an API for everything, right? Like there's a cat API, there's Spotify APIs, there's OpenWeather API, Twitter APIs. If you ever like want to integrate Spotify, you can just search Google, just do a Google search Spotify APIs and just log in and see the APIs available, which is written by Spotify. I'll just give you 2 minutes to do it. Just try once. Not exactly, Ayush. Those APIs are not always free. The Spotify provides you free APIs, but if you want to integrate ChatGPT or Gemini 1.5, you have to pay in it if you need to use their services. Yeah, because you are using the resources, right? Great. Raghav has used Gemini and ChatGPT API for projects. Yeah, Ray has worked with Discord's API. Amazing. So can we move on? Have you all like checked out the Spotify APIs? Just type yes if you have. Anshul has worked on his own API. Amazing. Divya, Aryan has all tried the Spotify APIs. Great, amazing. So APIs turn software into Lego bricks. Have anybody of you have played like Legos? Just let me know when you're small. Amazing. So what is Postman? It is a platform to allow you to test APIs. We'll be testing a lot of APIs today, which I've built, and if time permits, we'll also try to create some. And who uses Postman? Everybody. The numbers look crazy as you can see. Right. Even I was surprised. 98% of Fortune 500 organizations use Postman, like PayPal, Comcast, Philips, Grubhub, Uber, and 65% of Global 2000 organizations also use Postman. But have you ever thought, what about the 2%? 98% use Postman, but what about the other 2%? Can anyone, one of you have any guess? Any random guess? Give it a shot, guys. What about the 2%? What did you use? Anybody? Who needs shares? They use Milkman, Hopscotch, custom APIs, SOAP UI, curl, localhost. Yeah. So, how do they operate? They create their own postman. For example, Facebook had issues with the front end, and they created React.js to simplify the development of dynamic user interfaces by introducing a component-based architecture and a virtual DOM for efficient rendering. ये जो मान companies है ना, they create their own tools. Around 13 developers use 13 million uses Postman, and here you can see it's 23 million. It's updated. Yeah, 23 million uses Postman. And for people who are learning today, we'll be adding to this. That's very exciting for me. Very exciting. अब hackathons के बारे में बात करेगा. Just give me a yes. थोड़े hackathons के बारे में बात करते हैं. can see so many yeses. Satya, Raghavendra, Ekla Cholo, Gaurav Sen, Aryan, Anshul, Sai Shruti, Om Singh, Ritesh, Ayush. Very good. So, for instance, let's say you are building this food delivery app, and instead of spending hours figuring out how to handle payment securely, you can use some APIs. You can use APIs like Stripe or PayPal to handle transactions very smoothly. That this means very less time worrying about a payment and processing, and more time perfecting your app's UI. It's interesting. And if you're creating a fitness app that tracks user workout, instead of trying to build your own database of exercises and routines, it will take a lot of time. It will take months maybe, or very like it'll take a lot of time. So you can tap into APIs. Like you've heard about Fitbit, right? Fitbit and Google Fit, and use the APIs. With just a few lines of code, you can integrate these APIs to access a wealth of fitness data, making your app more robust. And if you're building a social networking app, you can leverage APIs from platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram to enable like this seamless login and sharing functionalities. This not only makes it very easy for users to sign up and connect with their friends, but also helps spread the word about your app virally across different social networks. And in this fast-paced world of hackathons, time is of great essence, right? APIs are mostly written in JSON. Yeah. So what was life before Postman? See, URL UI looks very ugly, right? I can't share this with my team. Can I share this with my team? No, right? In the left hand side. And share, I can like ask questions, copy code, or comment a specific line and ask my team if to like decipher or to like refine it, right? It's kind of very crude. You don't need to write lines and lines of code using tools like CRL just to send a request to another website and get data. I'll give you a taste of CRL complexity. CRL, I guess I have to use the chat. It's like I'll give you a demo. It's like you have to write this much. That's yes, yes. And many like. You have to also add your username and password. It's very hectic. So this example returns data from a website, but deciphering it requires knowledge of flags. You have to have this great like uh, previous knowledge. You have to know what is a /x. You have to know what is a get, URLs, and like vast authentication methods. So don't have much time, right? Mistakes were very common in this, and debugging a mess. Postman comes to your rescue like a smartphone with a touchscreen. It offers a UI where you can simply click buttons and fill in forms to interact with APIs. On the right hand side, you can see the Postman interface. Anshul says time to emoji spam till turtles. So let's talk about requests and responses. Instagram के exam के बाद, I suppose you are very ready to answer what is a request and a response. Can I get any answers? What is a request and what is a response? After the example of Instagram, just give me like in context of Instagram. What is a request? When do you request and how do you get the response from the server? Vikram says request like get, post, patch. Yeah, we'll cover it. Following. Amazing. So in order to get some data from a server, you need a network, right? The client sends the request to the network, and hence the API which is written in the server itself is sent. In order to get some data from a server, like all the rules of this API is written in the network, which has to be followed by the net request, which is posted. The API processes the request and sends back to the client. Now, as you can see the picture, the diagram. Now, what are the ingredients to make a request? This is also a very common interview question. If you don't know, it's completely fine. Just you can try. What are the most common ingredients to make a request? The most popular are get, put, post, and patch. Rest will be soon seen. So, what is a request? Methods and endpoints. Endpoint is what is where a particular server is setting. That is the URL or the address you're targeting. And also these are the ingredients: get, post, put, and delete. Put or patch is the same. I can see HTTPS is the protocol. The host is the one you are targeting. It's www.google.com, and search is the path. What do you want to do with Google? For example, if you want to see the follow page, you want to see which people follow you or which people do you follow, to mention the path, right, in the Instagram after the Instagram URL. So that's the path. I want everyone to drop their URLs, anything, any of your personal website, Instagrams, LinkedIn's, anything. Just drop your links. I just want you all to connect together. Amazing. I want all of you to connect, guys. Just drop your URLs, drop your socials if you want to connect. Yeah, you can send your LinkedIn. Let's drop your LinkedIn's. And just wait for 2 minutes. So data types, let's talk about data types. In the request, I need to pass a lot of data. So where will I keep this data? Then we'll have different data types, right? We'll be mostly using JSON. And while receiving responses, you will see a status code when the page is not found, right? Like you have always seen error 404. That means the URL wasn't correct, or if it is correct, there's no data which is available. Yeah. So these are the requests, data types I just talked about. I just talked about how to receive. Now let's work with a real API. Before this, we also like want to share that there are some swags involved. can win amazing swags on this. Can share your learnings, whatever you have learned in this session. Just share with this hashtag Postman student in your LinkedIn or in a Twitter. You can just tweet something. There are two parts. The first one is we can write about what you learned during the session on your favorite platform like Medium or Dev, and also Twitter or Instagram. Or and the second is you have to write a blog. You can just write the coolest blog ever. Am I audible, guys? Just type audible if I'm audible. Okay, I'm audible. Great. You can just scan this. I'll send you the link in the Discord server. Mayank service send you the link. You can just submit your swags entries. You don't have to write today. I guess it's on him how much time he will give you. But it's better if you write by tomorrow.
Hi. Hi everyone. I'm sharing the Discord server link in the comment section of our. Give me 1 minute. I'm sharing the Discord server link. Yes, I have posted the Discord server link in the comment section, and
You can also scan this.
also you can scan the QR code. And also, I am posting the link in the Discord server right now.
Yeah. Just let me know when you are done so that I can proceed. Okay, now let's move on to the hands-on section. Are you all excited, guys, for the hands-on? It's very short. It won't be very long. Just a quick hands-on. Just have to write some fun jokes. Hitesh asks more on Jason, please. Hitesh will be organizing 102 after this 101. Don't worry. We're diving deep into APIs. So now, can you scan this QR code? You'll get a link to the workspace. Also, Mayank, please send a link in the Discord server too, so that they can get it.
I have sent the swag link just now, right now, in our
Great,
Discord server.
great. Also, this is the workspace they'll be working for a hands-on session. Please send a link of this too.
Yes, sure. Hi guys, I have sent the hands-on session link, feedback form, and swag form link. All the three links are in our Discord server, and the Discord server link I have posted in the comments And I'm also posting the Discord server link in my community group, WhatsApp groups.
Guys, can you proceed? Just let me know.
Yeah, you can proceed. I will keep posting the links.
Yeah. And I guess I'm not able to share my screen. Can you just check it
Sorry.
once?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
got it.
shared.
Yeah. So guys, please open this web.postman.co. This will be your workspace and just log in. Do let me know when you're ready. So here we will be writing jokes, but so we'll be also getting some jokes within this get phase, which are already written by my friends. But what if I want to write my own joke, create my own joke? I'd ask you to create your own joke here and not write in the comment chat section. I don't want you to write in the joke in the chat. Instead, I want to post into this API which I've created. Yeah. So do you have any guesses like which method will you use if you want to post, if you want to insert your joke into the system? I need some answers. These are some methods which are available: get, post, put, patch, delete, head, and options. Divya says post. Amazing. So are you ready, guys? I've already shared the workspace link. Are you ready with this? Just type ready if you're ready so that I can move further. Let's have some real fun. Just see your jokes. Zoom the screen, please. Because you won't be able to see. First, let me show you the UI. Here you have the collections, environments, history, and also you can configure on your own workspace. You can subtract or add things. These are the workspaces. Just have this workspace which I'm showing you. Okay, most of you are ready. I want more ready, guys. Workspace link. I guess Mayank has provided in the Discord server.
I have posted the workspace link in our community groups also. I have posted the workspace link in the Discord server also. You can
Mayank, the
also.
one thing, just post it in the chat once.
Yes,
I
sure. I
guess
am
many
posting
are. Yeah.
the disc hands-on.
If you can, just post it in the chat section.
Yes, I have shared the workspace link in the chat also. It's just good. Go
Great,
on.
great, amazing. Just click on it, guys, so you can start it as soon as possible. Amazing. So you can start, right? First of all, let's try to get a random joke. Let's just try. The base URL is the one I've sent you. Don't worry. You don't have to worry about this base URL. Just type the link and slash joke using the get method. Not working. Yeah, I guess you have to fork it. Yeah. Sorry, I just missed it. You have to fork the directory. Have you forked it, guys? So that it doesn't allow any changes in the original directory. It shows error. Can you specify the error, guys? Link is not working. Okay. Link is not working. Just give me a second. Why is the link not working? Link shows hello world. Yeah. You have to arrive at this thing called web.postman.co. Just go to web.postman.co. Okay. So you're able to see this interface. Are you able to see this interface? Link not working. Just give me a second again. Should have worked. No, yes, no, yes. Discord link is not working. Link not working. Joke is coming. Yes. Lot of yeses, lot of no's. It worked correctly. Okay. Amazing. All is working fine. Great. Anshul, artists, Sonu. Great, great, amazing. So you can see some random jokes which are written by my friends. They want me to zoom it more. Because if anybody of you have some problems with forking, just let me know. If you're not able to fork the Sonu wants me to zoom again, but you won't be able to see the interface then. Is that fine for you? You need to fork it. It's working fine. Yeah. You need to fork it, guys. You can't make changes to the original directory, right? You need to fork it so that you can make changes to it from your side. While you want to break somebody's code, break somebody's API. Okay, great. So you've just got the idea of what is a get, right? What you can do with get method. So let's talk about some methods. Just so talking about get is think of it like requesting a page from a book, and when you use get, you're asking the server to send you some data. It's like saying, hey server, देखो, can you give me the information stored at this specific address? Can you give me the information stored at www.xyz.com? The next is post. Post is like sending a letter. You're not asking for information, but you're giving the server some time, some data to proceed, to process, and possibly store it sometime. It's like saying, here's some new information for you to handle. Please do something with it. I don't know what you will do it. Please do something with it. Yeah. So next is put. It's like updating a page in the book, and with put, you're telling the server to replace the current data at a specific address with some new data. And it's like saying, please replace the contents at this address with what I am giving you now, currently. Yeah. Link is not working. Link is not working. Why is the link not working? Yes, it should work. Just try to fork it. So the next is patch. Patch is like making this small edits to a page instead of replacing the entire page like put. Patch allows you to send just the changes you want to make. It's like saying, here's the specific updates I'd like to make to the information at this specific address. And talking about delete, I guess you will have an idea what delete does. Just as it sounds, delete is used to remove data from the server. It's like saying, please remove the information stored at this specific address. Then we have copy. Same, just as it sounds, this method is used to duplicate a resource to another location. It's like making a photocopy of a page into a book and putting it in a different binder altogether. Next, we have head. With head, you're asking for information about a specific resource, but not a resource itself. It's like checking the table of contents of a book without reading the entire book. Yeah. Next, lastly, we have options. We have options. We have purge. We have lock. We have prop find. We have view. View is used to retrieve a representation of a resource. It's like asking to see a specific page of a book. Am I going too fast, guys? Or it's fine. Do I need to repeat some things? Be more clear. Am I too fast? Am I going too fast? Okay, great. I'll repeat once again. I'll repeat once again. Don't worry. And the link still not works. Okay. Okay. The Tanish wants me to repeat the post, get, etc. Okay. So again, let's talk about get, the one we used right now to get a random joke. Think of it like requesting a page from a book you're reading. When you are using get, you're definitely asking the server to send you back some data. It's like saying, can you give this information at this database? Can you give this random joke from this server? It's like that. The post is like, uh, you're not asking for information, but you're giving the server some data to process and also store it properly. It's like saying, ये information ले लो आप. It's on you how to handle it. Please handle it. Please do something with it. As that. Next is put. I just need to explain get, post, put. This is the most important ones, and also patch. Put is like updating a page in a book, and with put you're telling the server to replace the current data with a specific address, and current data the specific address with some new data you have. You need to update the data. You have a new joke in mind. You need to update your joke. Then you will use this specific like put. Like next we have patch, and patch is like making the small edits. It's like replacing, instead of replacing the entire page, you're just making some small edits. Patch allows you to send just the changes you want to make. Please, for example, since put is used to replace, patch is just used to edit. It's like saying, yeah, here these are the specific updates I'd like to make to the information at this specific address. Now is it clear, guys? You just type clear if you're, so that I can move on. We'll create our own APIs in API 102. This is API 101. We'll just talk about basics here. Mayank sir will come with a new session for you all. Well, I'll be again the host. I'll be again teaching you more on APIs. Right, Mayank?
Surely we will be doing API 202 and 303 for more advanced concepts of APIs, and
Yeah.
surely
Now let's try get. Before get, we'll try add joke. So can you just change this method to post now? We have used get. Now let's use post. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready with this interface? Just click on body and select JSON, because we'll be writing this in JSON, and select raw, not binary, not GraphQL. You have to select raw. And just you can change your author to your name. You can write your joke, and you can, it's not necessary to write the source, but you can try. Are you not having access to the joke interface? Anybody having problem access to the joke interface? It should be just below the get, or you can just change your method here. There are different methods. You can get, put, post, patch, delete. Anshul and Akhilesh are not able to. Anshul, okay, working fine to me. Yes, it is working. No. Postman's kabhi lag hota hai. You can just try refreshing it. Just work fine. But you're not exactly like able to do. Can you just describe? Because just no won't help. ये बता दो कि क्या नहीं हो पा रहा. वर्कस्पेस ही नहीं आ रहा. अच्छा. तो पहले जो गेट आया था उसके उस पे ही तो आएगा पोस्ट. Can you just refresh your page once? Puneet already posted a joke. Wow. Amazing. Don't have access. Pranjali, have you tried forking it before? Like, I can see the workspace with a joke folder. I posted a joke. Postman पे कुछ show नहीं कर रहा. Is it still loading? Many people have already posted a joke. Amazing. Also, something I need to tell, like after you send it, you have this ID. Do you have your IDs with you? Just remember your IDs because we'll doing this fun thing after this. We'll try to fetch your jokes. Try to show this on the screen. Just type your IDs after posting. Just let me know if you are not able to post it. Showing not access to this workspace. Have you tried to fork it? 9055, 9057. Amazing. 9055, 90554. I need more, guys. I need more. Yeah, sure. Write the link I've shared to you. Can you write this API 101.up.railway.app? Just mention this URL because here I have set it as base URL. You need to like type this URL, which I've shared to you. And even mine has shared with you, I guess, in the Discord server. You can just type slash joke to access it. And you can just change the method to post right now because you're just posting your jokes. Can you move further? Can you move on to showing the showing your jokes which you have written? Amazing. Okay, now let's fetch your jokes. Should I? Okay, let's do it. First, we'll do it with this. After that, I'll show you the UI I have prepared. Let's start with Artist World 9059. I've got it. Anmol. Why don't programmers like nature? Because it has too many bugs and not enough documentation. Amazing. Hi, Anmol. Amazing. So next we have Yash 9062. Science is a joke. Okay, Yash. Is it? How many of you think science is a joke, guys? How many of you think science is a joke? Just flooding the chat with your IDs. Amazing. And just so exciting. 9064. Now let's try the UI I've prepared. This is the UI I've prepared. Can you see your jokes? If you can see, just let me know. Okay. People don't think that science is a joke. Amazing. We have Puneet, we have Supratik, we have Perry, we have Raghav, Anmol, Divya, Fiza, Rajdeep, Gaurav, Yash. What did Roman soldier say on a Good Friday? Nailed it. Okay. Supratik Mondal says, Arey bhai bhai. Funny joke. If you're not able to solve a bug, make it a feature. Wow. Divya says, what did the programmer say to his wife? I promise I'll fix the bugs in our marriage. Fiza says, how does the ocean say hi? It waves. Acha, great. It. After Saturday, it's Sunday, but I say fun day. Rajdeep says, great, great Rajdeep. Hi Fiza, hi Raghav, hi Divya. Amazing. You all are amazing. I'll just refresh it if I see more. Okay, we have one more. Gaurav Sen. Knock knock, who's there? Very long pause. Java. Acha. Do I wait more? Are you guys writing more jokes? So I'm too excited to see your jokes. Guys, please write jokes. Let's have some fun, guys. Anshul says, not all time bugs are easy. Just try solving, otherwise get ready for damage in your software. Lol. Keep trying and bugging like bee. Great. So if you're now understanding what's an API, just I want yes in the chat. You send some data, I request the data, I can read the data. You post some data to the server, it got stored there. I want to access that thing, and I added that particular ID which you have shared with me, the joke IDs, and I got the data. Can you repeat how to post joke, Devansh? Sure, Devansh, sure. I'll just show you. You need to like put your base URL, which I've shared. First step. Second step is just slash joke and change the method to post if it's not post already. Then click on body, raw, then JSON, and just write your joke. Just send it. I'll get it. Please check my new joke. Okay, I will. Okay, there are more. Anmol says, why did a programmer quit his job? Because he didn't get a raise. Comment out the bugging code if it's not working. I need to know you, bro. You just written NA. I need to know you. Raghav says, someone I met my wife in a GitHub issue thread with no much conflict. Wow. This is amazing. Amazing, Raghav. So do anyone of you want to delete your joke? Just let me know. I'll just show you how to delete it. Also, do send me your ID. Check new joke. I will. I will. We don't have much time, but yeah, just short of time. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attacks bugs. Wow. Joke, my engineering degree. Tanishq engineering degree seems like a joke. Why Tanishq? Why? Which college are you from? Shivangi says, why don't programmers like nature? It has too many bugs. Okay, now let's try deleting some joke. I'll delete 9062. Okay. Joke with ID 9062 is deleted. I'll just update it, check if it's updated, and see then it's deleted. Yeah. So anyone will help in deleting the joke again if somebody else wants to delete. I created a joke for Postman. Okay, let's check it again. It's amazing, na guys? Why don't programmers like nature? I've already read it. Anmol says, why did the developer bring a Postman collection to the beach? To make sure the waves had the right status code. 200. Okay. So here also you have 200, right? Yeah. You can also read out the documentation which is provided by Postman. It's amazing. Just give me a second, guys. So these are the resources. Is my screen visible? Just let me know. Thank you, Artist World. That means a lot. Now I thank you all for attending. It was amazing. Now just can you scan this and I would like a feedback from you guys. Small thanks. Just if you could scan it. Also, Mine will share the link for the feedback form. Thank you, Aryan. Thank you, artist. Thank you, Divya. Thank you, Piyush. Thank you, Vani. Thank you, Akhilesh. Thank you, Preda King. Raghav. Thank you so much. Just made my day. Chiku, Nishil, Sanya, Gaurav. Thank you so much, guys. So much. Have you scanned this QR, guys? Also, Mayank will also put this in
I have
the
also,
chat.
yes, I
Yeah.
have also put it in the chat box.
Thank you, Radhika, Sonu, Anmol, Fiza, Om Singh, Sudha, Piyush, Amrish. Thank you, Amisha. Thank you, Raghav. Thank you, Mahi. Thank you, Rajdev, Hitesh, Aryan, Puneet. Amazing. And so I guess we should repeat this swag form. You can share your learnings with hashtag Postman Student. On you can just tweet it or create a LinkedIn post tagging us, tagging Postman.
Thanks, RX
There are
too.
two parts. Yeah. There are two parts. First is you can write what you learned in during the session on your favorite platform like Medium or Dev. Also, you can post it on Twitter or X, which is the current one, and even a LinkedIn post. The second one is just write a cool blog. Very short blog. You don't have to write a detailed one. Just let us know what you have learned in a session. Yeah. How many of you guys want a API 102? Just let us know. We're soon planning for this. Let us know all the hashtags. Mang, you can just post the hashtags. The one from Postman is just Postman student. How to get swags? You just need to fill the form, guys. Just share the link of your post and just submit the form with your link. And you will get your swags delivered to your doorstep. Don't worry, guys. The swags are just amazing. So these are the resources, guys. You can just take a screenshot of this. Just take a screenshot. Also, guys, if you want me to follow me on LinkedIn, then I'll just share my LinkedIn. Give me a sec. I wish to see you again, guys. I just hope you'll be there in the next session too. Amazing how you guys attended this.
Uh,
Give me
I'm
a second. Yeah,
I'm posting Krishanu's LinkedIn in the comment section
yeah.
too.
You can just post my LinkedIn. Yeah, you can reach out to me for any guys, anything, guys. Just any problem. You want to get into a hackathon? Any problems with hackathons? Any problems with APIs? You want to know about things? Just drop me a message. I'll be happy to help you guys. Thank you, Vikram. Thank you, artist. Thank you, Om Singh. Great, you have submitted your feedback. Just wish you all have submitted your feedback, guys. The feedback means a lot to me. Can I make a blog till day after tomorrow? Just try to do it very fast because I have to submit it to Postman so that you can get your swags. You can get them approved by the team. How to get certificate? Yeah, we'll be mailing the certificate, right, Mank?
Yes, sure. Surely
Yeah,
by today night or
yeah.
by tomorrow you will be surely getting your
We don't
certificates.
have to worry about it. Yeah, you'll get your certificates. So, any questions, guys? Last questions. Would love to take them. Any question to Mank? Any question to me? For me? Okay, so there are no questions. Amazing. Wow. Right. Great, right, Mank? That's amazing. No questions. Where to
Where
write
to
blog? Or, yeah. WordPress is okay. Yeah. You can just write a blog anywhere.
CURL पर बना दो एक सेशन CURL
Sure. We'll
तुम
just
क्या नहीं
cover those things in the next session.
how to make the courage to participate in hackathons.
We'll be love to talking to you guys in person. I just hope there'll be an in-person event. Love to interact. I've participated in
I
more than 20 hackathons. I love to interact with you guys on this.
team ready ही नहीं होती. Find your team members in Swarex network. Is a blog compulsory to get swag? Yes, Krishanu shared two challenges with you. You can
Yeah, I shared two challenges. In the first, the difference is when you write a blog, you'll also get a bottle. That's the difference. Also get a cool bottle from Postman if you win on your blog. What is the
we
best
have
way to learn about AI? Mike will be helping you with that. Right, Mike?
sure
What is the
sure
best
sure
way to learn about AI? Yeah,
sure. We will plan something soon
yeah.
and guide you in detail.
I love to talk to you guys in person. It'll be amazing. Are you working professionals? No, I'm just a student. I'm in my second year, BTech, at Manipal University, Jaipur. Okay, I guess we're done. We don't have any questions.
Yeah, you are from Jaipur. How have you have to write a blog on LinkedIn? In
You can
LinkedIn.
also write a blog on LinkedIn. Yeah, you can write a blog. You can also do a Twitter thread or X thread if you want, any format. But try to do it on some like if you have your own blog or like you can just write your own blog in some websites. There are websites for blogs, right? Yeah. Also, you can also use Medium, right? You can just create a link, an account on Medium. Anshul, are you from Jaipur too? Great. And my third year EC. I'm also a second year B student. Amazing. Where to submit a blog? I guess Mayank has shared with you the link to submit a blog. You can Mayank just do one thing. Just send all the links, the feedback form link and the swag link together.
Yes, I have shared it on the Sorex Discord,
Great, great.
right? So in the event sections of on the Sorex Discord, you can check. Let me share once again.
Yeah, yeah. You can do it. I'm interested to be a student leader. What was the process? Mahi asks. You can just check out the website. If you have any questions, just drop me a message on LinkedIn. I guess we have already connected. You can mind do one thing, just share my LinkedIn once more. I guess there are some students have missed it.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Are you selecting the will be getting the swags or whoever completes the tasks? No. Actually, I won't be selecting. Postman themselves will be selecting your entries.
My LinkedIn. You don't have my LinkedIn. That's bad. Let me share.
I'm also from JL. How to take part in open source competitions? Can I be a student part of student leader? Yeah, you can be a student leader too. You can first you will become a student expert, then you have to conduct sessions, then you will become a student leader. Just like me. Love to do sessions together then. Amazing, amazing. We'll also be talking about these two sessions to this two things, which is student leader and student expert program in the next session. Lots to cover in the next session. I'm excited.
Surely.
Please post the swags link. For the last time, just share the links. For the last time. You
Yes.
already shared 3 or 4 times. Yeah. I don't want them to miss it.
Yes, sure.
That's more.
This time, let me share in the comments only
Yeah, yeah.
if they aren't able to find.
Thank you so much for attending, guys. Means a lot. Hope you learned what is our API, how to work with APIs, how to fetch, how to put, how to get information.
Sure. Thanks, Krishanu, for your time, and
Thank
thanks.
you so much, Mang, for this opportunity. Love interacting with the students.
Thank you, everyone, for joining. I think we can end the session now.
Yeah, we can.
It was a love connecting with you. Happy to have all your feedbacks. So let's leave. We'll be
Yeah, we
glad
can.
to meet soon with another event. Stay connected with us. Stay connected with Sorex Network. I hope everyone have joined.
Yeah.
So
Thank you, guys.
have
We
a nice
just
day.
put it end. Have a nice day, guys. Good night. Good night,
Sure.
Mang. Thank you
Good
for this
night.
opportunity again.
Welcome, Krishna.